What's your key strategy to organizing your crates and being able to jump through different genres? So organizing my crates, I'm horrible at that. I try different things every time. I try different things. Over the years, I've tried a lot of different ways to structure my folders. I do keep it pretty basic, so I don't have a ton of different folders within folders within folders like some people do. That's just a lot. So I keep it pretty basic. My thing now for organizing is to focus more on actually tagging the tracks, putting as much information into every song as possible. So not just the genre, and of course the tracks are analyzed, so I'll have the BPM, I'll have the key information, but try to add extra information. What type of vibe do I feel when it comes to this track? Can I translate that to energy? So is it a high energy track? Is it a low energy track? Can I color code? Because certain tracks will give me a certain vibe and I can translate that to a color. So have as much information as possible for all my music. That will allow me to use smart crates or intelligent playlists if you're using Rekordbox, and then set rules in the smart crate and tell that smart crate, okay, I need tracks from this, that, and that genre between this and that BPM. So this BPM range with this amount of energy with that vibe, that I can go that specific. And then it's going to give me a list of tracks that might be from a couple different genres that will all fit that same narrative that I might want to, the way I want to approach that set. I think I missed the second part of that organizing. Okay, organizing your crates and being able to jump through different genres. Well, when it comes to switching genres, you can do a bunch of different things. I try not to overthink it. So if I'm going to a totally different genre that might be in a totally different BPM range, I'm not gonna try to do crazy things to mix it unless I see a fun opportunity. But I'll just get one track out of there, maybe use like an echo or a crazy reverb, host it and bring in a new track and fix it that way. If I'm going to a totally different vibe, that's what I prefer to do instead of going the difficult route.